मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन ने एपेक्स काउंसिल के 5 अरकान की जानिब से जारी करदा नोटिस पर अपना रद्द-ए-अमल जाहिर किया। उन्होंने कहा कि ये तमाम 5 अरकान बदउनवानी में मुलविस हैं। पिछले 20-25 बरसों से यही लोग ओहदे पर फायज हैं। इन अफराद को क्रिकेट के बारे में कुछ भी इल्म नहीं, इसके बावजूद एपेक्स काउंसिल में ये शामिल है। मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन ने यह भी कहा कि ये लोग नहीं चाहते कि हैदराबाद क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन की तरक्की हो सके, इसी वजह से इन्होंने मेरे खिलाफ ये साजिश रची है। वाज़ेह रहे कि एपेक्स काउंसिल ने मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन को HCA के सदर के ओहदे से हटा दिया है।
To tell you something, I mean, I'm elected person. Nobody can remove me. They cannot do 4 or 5 people cannot remove me as a president. I'm elected by the general body. First of all, they are tainted. They are facing charges. They are going to get their notices. I mean, I've already been show cause notice that the ombudsman will take into account whatever they have done. So they will get all the notices. I don't want to do anything wrong because they want to do things in their way. They want everything to happen in a way they want. So this thing doesn't happen because all this, I mean, removing and all is all bogus news. These are bogus things because these are all illegal things. When they are already tainted, when they are already charged, I mean, they are already been under, scanner. I mean, what these people are trying to suspend me? Please tell me. They are facing cases. They are attending courts every day. I am not attending courts. I have not done any misconduct. They are doing misconduct. See, the empty vessels make more noise. Remember always. So the vessels have become empty now. That's why it's making noise.
Sir, so why targeted in this?
Why do I think it's targeted? Because I want to do things which are right for the association. I don't want to do any illegal things. I don't want to, do any irregularities in the association. I want to do what is good for the association, what is good for the game of cricket. Because nobody is thinking about the game of cricket here. Now I am going to start a T20 tournament for all the clubs. All the 220 clubs I am going to start, because everybody will get an opportunity to play T20 games, and then maybe out of those 3,000 boys who will play the T20 matches.
मजहबी मुकामात को लेकर दिल्ली हुकूमत की गाइडलाइन